Would you believe me if I told you that you can make a 3-course meal out of your microwave? And would you believe me that the 70s made a cookbook exclusively for that? Today we'll be doing just that. We will be making breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert out of this handy dandy microwave cookbook made from the 70s. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it.
Yeah.
Starting out for our breakfast is the oatmeal with peach orange sauce. All right, so we got 3 cups of water that we're gonna pour in here. We got our oats. This looks fucking crazy already. And then we have half a teaspoon of salt. And stir it all together. All right, and we're gonna put this in the microwave for 5 minutes. Good Lord.
Good God.
Let's hope we don't blow up the place. All right, 5 minutes.
This is already sus as fuck.
Already
Yeah.
questioning things.
Sketchy as fuck. Let's see how it goes.
All right, now that this is done, next is that I mixed in the sauce, which is the canned peach slices, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a dash of salt, and a cup of orange juice. And now we got them all mixed up and as good as we're gonna get. All right, so we're gonna put this in for 2 minutes. See you in 2 minutes.
A few moments later.
All right, it's ready. So now we're gonna throw it in and mix it up. That is a wonderful sound.
That is a wonderful, glorious
This
sound.
looks like diarrhea and puke. Yum. Yum. This screams breakfast. This is what hearty breakfast looks like, you guys. In the 70s, keep in mind. Different time. All right, now we're gonna eat it. Get your Pepto-Bismol ready.
Well,
All right, here we go.
it is.
This is the rejected porridge that the bears didn't make or want to eat.
Bon appetit.
How they say, like, cheers, cheers, cling, cling. We're not doing that.
Yeah, well,
but
no,
yeah.
fuck that. Well, I mean,
It's runny as hell.
I'm pretty sure
but-
if we had left it in there longer, we could get rid of the runniness.
Maybe.
And it would actually taste pretty decent, but it's not
It's not.
terrible.
Yeah, I don't even taste like the orange juice. It's just peach sauce.
Yeah.
Just mostly peach. Wow.
That's breakfast in a microwave.
Yeah, this is giving me like prison food / senior center vibes.
Yeah, it's just something
And
you
just-
serve in a retirement home.
Sad. It's just fucking sad.
2 out of 10.
Yeah, I would give it honestly 1 out of 10 because it's just sad. It just makes me
This is
sad.
This is a sad breakfast.
Damn, Serge, you ate more than you didn't even have to eat the whole thing. You just
Not
had to.
tasting it, god damn it! With our sad breakfast out of the way, what's next?
It's time for our hearty lunch, which is ham and apple witches.
So that's how our apple witches are supposed to look.
Will it look like that? We'll see.
Cool.
Expectations versus reality.
Alright, so we're gonna slice up our apple.
All right. This is like oh, we're trying to be healthy, so instead of onion rings, we're doing apple rings. Everybody's so creative.
Putting a fucking apple ring in a sandwich.
I hate it. Hate it. Does it matter which order it goes?
I don't think it does.
Is there anything sacred here? I wouldn't.
And we are not going to go through the hassle of mixing it and all that, so.
Are we cheating here?
Maybe, but this is the 21st century. Fuck that shit. Oh, I love that sound.
Wonderful shark noise. That's how you know it's good. Oh boy.
That is our
Lunch.
ham and apple witches.
Okay, first, I think this is mine. So, 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Yeah,
popping.
that's a good sound.
Oof.
I see steam. I see it steaming.
Ugh.
Okay,
See how
thank
it
God.
looks.
Because I'm like, any longer and it's just gonna burst into flames. Wow.
Wow. That looks appetizing.
All right.
Second sandwich.
Chicken sandwich.
That looks like a tongue sticking out of it.
Bleh.
That's how I'm gonna feel after I eat the sandwich. Taste test number 2.
I mean, essentially, it's just a ham sandwich with a fucking apple in it.
This is what, yeah.
All right. I'm gonna make sure I get a piece of the apple, so let's do it.
Just a sandwich with an apple in it.
I mean, the apple, I don't know. Something about the apple.
Yeah. The warm
texture of it and the crunch. It kind of,
texture, yeah.
it's kind of off-putting. But let me see if I could get the sauce in there. Yeah, I can barely taste it in there.
Yep.
Because of the crap. Maybe that was the point, to have like a crap ton of mayo and mustard so you know there's a fucking apple in there.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just taking out the apple and I'm just gonna eat the fucking sandwich. Because it's just a ham sandwich at the end of the day.
Yep.
Not as bad. Still don't recommend it. I'll give it 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10.
Maybe that's being too generous. But
When you take the apple out, it's an 8 out of 10.
significantly. But all right. Let's move to dinner.
Yeah.
I guess I would like to mention that in there, like, all the recipes we're doing, they're pretty much salvageable, so we'll be able to, like, make a better version of it or just reuse the ingredients for something else. But yeah, let's get to it.
Now, what's for dinner?
Oh boy, this one is gonna be a doozy. I feel like the other two were pretty tame for the most part. This is gonna be the gnarliest one, probably, that we make. So, we're making bean pot peppers. What's in it?
And seeing.
There's a fucking ginger snap cookie on it. We couldn't find any ginger snaps because who eats ginger snaps? So we got snickerdoodles, so that's the only difference. Oh, and we got red bell peppers. That's the other difference. But yeah, so 2 large peppers, pork beans, ginger snap cookies, minced onion, Worcestershire sauce, brown sugar, and mustard. So how is all that gonna mix together? Probably poorly. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Oh boy.
It's meant to be a bowl, right? Because it's already hollow inside.
And we wait. And we wait. And we wait.
Much, much, much later.
Now our beans.
Beans.
Time for beans.
Me and the boys at 3 a.m. looking for beans.
Oh.
A snickerdoodle. Whoa, whoa.
What is that?
That's a bacon. Yeah, we couldn't find any with molasses, so we just picked the one with bacon. Yeah.
I mean, it's pretty much
It is
Fucking
pork and
thick.
beans. So, yeah.
Thick as molasses.
Well,
Shit.
it's-
All right.
Yeah.
I mean, what's the difference in taste there, really?
And we need 1 tablespoon of minced onion.
Got the dicing skills.
All right, so get a tablespoon of brown sugar.
Okay.
And a teaspoon of mustard. Just put a squirt. There.
That's good.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Horrible. Awful.
Gotta stuff it all the way.
Yeah, I know. I just don't want to. Trying to just not dump it all. All right, shit. That's as stuffed as I can get it. That's pretty fucking stuffed. All right.
And it goes in the microwave for 4 minutes. So,
Both of them?
yep.
All right. Jesus.
So we'll see you guys in 4 minutes.
12 seconds later.
Oh, it hasn't even been 2 minutes, and one of them is about to tip over.
It's freaking overflowing. It's
Yeah.
dumping out, man.
Oh God, it's really overflowing.
Wow. It's like, yeah. Diarrhea fountain. That is not appetizing at all.
No. You're hyped. Are you hyped up for dinner? I think she's hyped up for dinner.
Her dinner.
Oh, that's what the dinner looks like, and the final
touch.
are the cookies. Now for the taste test.
The anticipation for this. I am.
Oh shit! It's probably my last day on Earth.
I gotta get some of the bell pepper.
Mm-hmm.
I can. It's okay.
Mm.
Cut into it. Fuck it. It's meant to be destroyed.
Yeah.
It was meant to fall apart. Oh, wow. All right, I think that's everything.
3, 2, 1. The fuck? Nah. Nah. No. There's no way it tastes good. That's just my imagination now. I refuse to believe it.
Like, it's just super sweet. That's all I just
It's
taste.
sweet.
I just taste it just tastes like fucking sugar with fucking beans and
I mean, it tastes actually pretty good. I like it.
some onion. I mean,
With the pepper and...
I'm not here like in stomach of pains running to the bathroom, but it's fucking weird. Guess I'll give it one more. Yeah. It's just fucking with my mind.
Wow. How in the hell? I mean,
No.
the cookie's a weird addition,
But it kind of blends in.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's like there's just so many flavors coming on. They kind of just
You got the pepper, you
Get
got
lost
the
in
brown
the
sugar,
sauce.
you got the
I think the
ginger
bean-
snap, you got the beans, you got the bacon.
I think the beans just cancels it cancels it all out. 70s, man. Wow.
This is the best one out of all of them.
I still think the sandwich one was the best because mine, I can't even fucking taste the apple in there. The onion aftertaste, I don't really like it.
Yeah, I wouldn't add the onion to this one.
Damn, not as bad as I
Yeah.
thought it would be. I would give it.
I'll give this one a 6.
I would give it a 4 out of 10.
I give it a 6. Just because it's a little too sweet.
Yeah, it's just super sugary. But hey, at least we survived it. Alright, so now that we got our 3-course meal for the day, it's time for dessert, so.
I still can't believe I fucking got that.
I mean, if anything, this could pass as dessert. It's just as fucking sweet, honestly.
This is dessert.
I mean, it has cookie in there, you know.
I'm done. So, last but not least, I believe we chose the raisin-filled apples.
Alright, I am close to done hollowing the hell out of this apple. Yeah, that's good enough.
Yep.
And essentially, I mean...
And now,
add a crap
we
ton
put
of
the
raisins.
beans... No, not really. In this recipe, needed raisins, walnuts, brown sugar, and cinnamon, as well as put into a cored out apple. So with everything mixed together, it's gonna go in the microwave for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then we gotta let it stand for 15 minutes.
It's probably the longest recipe
yeah.
done out of all of them.
1 eternity later.
Without further ado, oh
my.
Oh my.
Ooh, it's still warm.
Yeah, I'm like, man, this plate is warm. Alright. Last meal, our dessert. So.
But it's pretty much just apple with nuts and raisins and microwave.
Brown sugar, cinnamon, yada yada. Pretty warm. So. Yeah, it's just a bunch of raisins.
It's just hot raisins and
hot raisins and nuts. And, well, mostly hot raisins and apple. Without the apple,
yeah.
It's just trail mix. Yeah, not bad. I wouldn't call this a dessert. This is more like...
It's like a quick snack.
Snack, yeah.
You eat like whenever, like a hike or something.
Yeah, exercise, whatever. Or after.
Yeah, I wouldn't call it dessert.
Yeah,
but
it's not a dessert, but...
Not terrible, but not great.
Yeah.
4 out of 10.
Yeah, 4 out of 10. But yeah, that concludes our 70s microwave meal.
Had very low expectations.
Mm-hmm.
And those expectations were met, in a way.
I would not want to live off of these recipes, you know, because it's just pretty mid.
I would definitely like to see the other recipes, though.
Like maybe, yeah, so I don't know, maybe we'll do another, you know, video, depending on how well this does, so yeah.
We'll see you guys in the next one.
Yeah, catch you later.